Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna make mango leaf tea. Do you know you can make mango leaf tea? I bought this from Asian market, whole big bun like this. They say good for everything, 10-20 benefit. If you want to know about mango leaf tea, you can Google and ask him what benefits of this leaf right here. But I am going to make the tea right now. I want to share with you the price. I buy this big bun right here. The price is $3.24, and I'm gonna go ahead to do this, the tea, guys. But before I make the tea, I'm gonna clean very well. Leftover, I'm gonna put in the freezer because so much benefit in here. That's why I wanna try and taste and see how good is it. Okay, so let's go start it. Let me go clean first. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take off from the stem right here, guys, and clean very well. And leftover, I'm gonna put in the freezer. So let's start to take out and clean. See, it's all come out from the stem, and I'm gonna clean it up very well, guys. Yep, now I'm going to clean very well. Clean good and leftover, all we put in the freezer. Then we can make a tea every time I need. There you go right here. Okay, this last clean, I'm gonna go ahead put in the water. I'm gonna boil for half hour, guys. Okay. See what happened, right? First time for me too. I live with mango tree forever my life, but first time I make tea right here. I will let you know how that tastes. Okay, just boil. I wanna boil half hour. Okay. Everything new to me. If they say anything good for the tea, I jump on that. But I love tea. Okay, guys, I already cleaned up everything, right? I'm gonna put 10 leaves. Every time I boil the tea, I put 10 leaves in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap with this plastics right here and put in freezer. And see, I got all of this. See? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times I can make the tea. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in the freezer. So when you put it in the freezer, they stay fresh, and you can bring out anytime to make the tea. So I'm gonna try to do this way, because sometimes in the market they don't even have this mango leaf, right? So lucky today I go to the Korean market and I found this. That's why I try to get this and try to make the tea. Okay, I'll put it in the plastic bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer. And I'm gonna put in the freezer, guys. Right here, see that? Just put in the freezer. When you need that, when I need it, I take it out. So put in here, put in the freezer. They stay like benefit. You don't lose no benefits right there. All right, guys. Okay, I boiled it for half hour. My mango leaf tea done. Turn it off. All right. Okay, let's go. This is my teapot, guys. Alright, let's put in teapot. Let's go drink. Beautiful color. Nice and yellow. Nice yellow neon color, guys. Alright. Okay, ready to serve. Can't wait to taste, guys. Look at beautiful color. Oh, wow. Neon color, like a yellow, soft yellow, golden color. Beautiful. There you have it. Mango with mint tea leaf. Cheers. Taste, let me know.
Cheers.
Tastes good. Wow, that is very good, guys. So go ahead, try it. If you want mango tea leaf, you have to go to Asian market. Korean, I bought from Korean market. That's why they have this. I know Spanish people is bring a lot of mango tea leaf, but this is first time for me. I love it. First time, I love. Okay, guys. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I can show you more how to make the tea out of the leaf. That's what my everyday I doing. I love tea, hot tea. I love it. So I try all kind of tea leaves. So today I try mango. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I can up more and more to show you how to do tea. Thank you. Bye bye.